How do you say bottle opener in Spanish?
Sacacorchos.
Repeat after me.
Sacacorchos.
How do you say can opener?
Abrelatas.
Repeat after me.
Abrelatas.
Spanish is easy with me. Just give me 1 minute every day. How do you say grater?
Rallador.
Repeat after me.
Rallador.
How do you say potato masher?
Aplastador.
Repeat after me.
Aplastador.
Keep watching if you want to learn Spanish. How do you say scissors?
Tijeras.
Repeat after me.
Tijeras.
How do you say fork?
Tenedor.
Repeat after me.
Tenedor.
Leave a comment with your favorite Spanish word. How do you say knife?
Cuchillo.
Repeat after me.
Cuchillo.
How do you say spoon?
Cuchara.
Repeat after me.
Cuchara.
How do you say ladle?
Cucharón.
Repeat after me.
Cucharón.
Follow me for daily Spanish lessons. How do you say my love in Spanish?
Mi amor.
Repeat after me.
Mi amor.
How do you say my life? It's
Mi vida.
repeat after me.
Mi vida.
Spanish is easy with me. Just give me 1 minute every day. How do you say my heart? It's
Mi corazón.
repeat after me.
Mi corazón.
How do you say my sky? It's
Mi cielo.
repeat after me.
Mi cielo.
Keep watching if you want to learn Spanish. How do you say my soul? It's
Mi alma.
repeat after me.
Mi alma.
How do you say my queen in Spanish? It's
Mi reina.
repeat after me.
Mi reina.
Leave a comment with your favorite Spanish word. How do you say my baby girl? It's
Mi bebecita.
repeat after me.
Mi bebecita.
How do you say my chubby girl in Spanish? It's
Mi gordita.
repeat after me.
Mi gordita.
Follow me for daily Spanish lessons.